Hello, hello. This is Eric Jones coming to you with the second in our series of videos for the new starters, actually the brand new TSAs in the business. I'm so excited about the business. I'm still here in Las Vegas, Nevada. The company put out some information that's going to help us grow our business a lot faster. It's going to be something that's very duplicatable. So today's video is going to be talking about the boomerang. Actually, it's going to give you a bird's eye view of what the boomerang is and how do you activate the boomerang. How do you use them? How you send them out? So this is something that I'm glad the company actually put it out, so that way all of us can be trained on the same information at the same time. The learning curve is going to be greatly reduced because if you watch these videos, you have a good start. Actually, if you go back to watch the first video I put out, it's got a title of a fast start, and this is, like I say again, the second in the series. So y'all can take a look at this. I'm going to put the link below. Let's go ahead and click on the link. If you have any problems, as I said before, I'll watch it again, watch it again. So anyway, y'all take care, y'all take charge, and I'll see you guys at the top. Boom!